You have now reached a stage where previous tasks can begin to recede into the background. Trust that they are already embedded in your body, inner singing, and mental memory. This simplicity of focus becomes essential in performance. Under the pressure of the stage, it is impossible to consciously manage many elements at once. Focusing on the wrong things at this point, such as sound imagination or phrasing, can interfere with your ability to focus on what matters most here: artistry. Artistry, or playing in the zone, is a deeply transformative state that can be approached through the simple steps in this lesson. In this state, playing becomes more intuitive, alive, and multidimensional. Tempo, rubato, dynamics, and voicing begin to organize themselves naturally and expressively without force or over-control. The aim of this stage is to connect the energy of your dreams to the body, while learning to surrender to your higher mind to enter a more receptive state of mind. From here, music begins to feel less constructed and more discovered, as though sound and movement are being received and reflected through your playing. On a deeper level, this process is also connected to surrender itself. A dream or desire may initiate the creative energy, but realization often requires letting go of rigid attachment to how it should unfold. When this attachment softens, the creative energy remains alive, while the mind becomes open to something larger and less predictable. From this wider perspective, life begins to align through unexpected connections, people, and opportunities that resonate with the deeper energy behind your dreams, often in ways more meaningful than originally imagined. Here is a brief overview of the next 3 steps. In step 1, you will use the phrase, "Where is my dream to rest?" to begin connecting the energy of your dream to the physical body. The word dream connects you to the energy of your needs or dreams within the elements of form, the inner storyline, and the pace of the timing. The word rest grounds this energy into a soft or dense, yet always expansive sensation, experienced physically as warmth and lightness beneath the upper arms, and a posture that is relaxed yet steady. The crown of the head gently lifted upward, the chin slightly lowered, and the shoulders and thighs loose. You will then mentally play through the piece while gently shaking the shoulders and thighs, helping imprint this sense of relaxation into your inner sensations. In step 2, you will introduce additional physical sensations through the phrase, "What is my dream to manifest?" Dream now includes the elements from step 1, while manifest adds conducting motion, allowing the elbows to move freely, following the main points of elbow movement previously marked in the score. Mentally play through the piece while exaggerating the flow of your arm movements to reinforce the sensation. Here, dream becomes connected to manifest, representing the physical expression of your dream energy through your energy field, posture, and flowing arm motion. This shifts your focus from a more static vertical state into a dynamic horizontal one, similar to the transition from a still image into moving film. Finally, in step 3, you surrender to the creative flow through the phrase, "Where is my dream to rest?" Listen. At this stage, your focus shifts toward listening, not only with your own ears, but as though listening through the presence of thousands, as if the audience itself were leaning in to hear what your higher self is expressing. From this place of trust, you simply echo what you hear inwardly, allowing the music to come through rather than forcing it. This is the stage where control begins to dissolve, giving way to freedom, flow, and a deeper sense of fulfillment in playing.